In this video, I'm going to introduce you to one of our innovative projects, the quality management system in the welding industry, wAxe. The quality of the welding affects many spheres of our lives. Our goal is to make the work of the people in this sector more comfortable, because our security with you depends to a large extent on their solution. There are already a number of solutions to this issue today. In our work, we are not only continuously monitoring modern products, but also exploring the approaches that were taken when the manufacturing industry was the flagship of the economy. The essence of our decision is simple: to ensure traceability at all key stages of welding. To ensure that all work is carried out by certified specialists on the basis of the requirements of the technology specifications under the supervision of the competent authorities. To put it simply, we have to control the ball in 3 stages. Before the production begins, it's a 3-point line. During the welding process, it's a fine throw. And final acceptance, it's a job in a 3-second zone. The basis of our concept is that all the technology of the enterprise is cataloged in a special way. As a result, not only an engineer, but also a manager, can be expeditiously targeted at the amount of complex technical documentation. Prior to the start of the work, it is essential to determine expeditiously whether the necessary technology exists in the enterprise's arsenal. During the welding process, it's important that the work is done with the right skills, so we have made the process of selecting a certified specialist as convenient as the Velcro sneakers. A timely task for the right person is what matters at this stage. After the welding, you need to call in specialists from the non-destructive control lab. Thanks to the wAxe, it's just like installing a baby car chair. It doesn't matter who did it, it matters who took it. Of course, these are only some of the possibilities of this engineering solution. If you want to know more, register for our course, where we'll deal with different life cases and situations in this area.